At first, we will import the library, that is import java.util.star. Now we are going to make a class named fibon. In this class, we are going to make a function named fibonacci. Now we will set the condition so as to get the correct output. So we will use if condition, and when n equal to 0 we will return 0, and if n equal to 1 we will return 1. Now the main condition comes. We will return Fibonacci n minus 1 and plus Fibonacci n minus 2, which will recursively call the function. Now we will move to our main function, I mean main class. Now we will move to our main class. In this class, we will call our class Fibon. After doing that, we will call our function. Remember, here we made a object named A, that is an instance A, and after that we called the function Fibonacci. So now we will use the scanner function, scanner class. Okay, so now we will use the scanner to take the input. Now we will take the input n. Now we will run.